Hey everyone, and welcome back to VFX Vibe once again. So today we are going to start a new series where I'm going to pick any footage and I'm going to start compositing as per requirement. Might be it will be a 2 or 3 videos in this particular series. Hopefully you will like it. So in today's video, I'm going to take a footage from Action VFX and I'm going to start compositing step by step. So today I'm going to show you a few advanced topics for doing keying, and I hope it will help you to understand keying in a better way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay. As you can see over here, I have a footage and I downloaded it from Action VFX. I will also give link in the description so that directly you can download it from Action VFX, or I will give my website link as well. You can go and easily download it. And as you can see over here, I am having a character and I am having a green screen. So I'm not worried about this area because it will be in garbage. So first thing first, we need to analyze what kind of work I can do, right? So probably I can remove green screen and I can replace with some background, might be some muzzle flashes, might be some particles and all. So let's concentrate first doing keying. So before starting any kind of keying, I will definitely prefer to check grain. So I'll hit B for blue channel. And as I can see, I'm having lots of grain, right? So what I'll do, I can use denoise tool or I can use reduce noise, which I have. So I'm going to connect this and definitely it will give me a better result or best result, I would say. So might be I can select a size, I'll do auto profile and directly I can hit apply, right? So if again I'm going to see my blue channel, definitely I can see I have a very cleaner result, and I have to make sure that my details are intact. Yeah, it's a pretty nice detail I'm having. If needed, I can render it out, but for this I'm not going to render it out. I'm going to use as it is. Another challenge I'm facing, if you can see, I'm having lots of creases and lots of patterns over here. So it's not mandatory, but it's recommended that if you can use screen clean kind of thing so that you will have a even chroma. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a tool, a Nuke survival toolkits tool to do my cleanup works, right? You can do it manually, but it will take time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use Nuke survival toolkits like screen clean, AP screen clean, right? Pretty simple. It's having a plate, it's having a clean plate and a mask. So for that, I need to create clean plate. So I'm going to use IBK color to create clean plate. So that's the way how I used to do. If you have any other way, you can do it, right? So I'm going to select green and probably I'll hit 0 and I'll make sure that each and every pixels I am having kind of this. I think it's all fine. Okay, so this is the best possible thing I'm getting. Also, I will use some sort of erode. So if needed, I can do it later. Apart from that, I'm going to copy this, Control C, Control V, and I'll start doing this size 1. Patch black might be 1. And if you can see, I have started creating my clean plates, right? Control C, Control V. It's recommended that please do it in a very precise manner. Otherwise, it will create some problem. Take your time to do that. So I'll come back once this is done. Okay, so my clean plate has been created. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect my clean plate over here and I'm going to connect my plate over here. And also in my screen clean, I'm going to select my screen color, right? So probably I'll hit Control Shift and I'll select this. And as you can see, I am having a very clean and even chroma. Can you see that? And all details are intact, right? So see, main thing might be you can ask why we are doing this. So probably I can show it to you if I'm going over here and key light, and might be I can go over here and I can pick this thing. So probably you can see over here how my alpha is coming, right? So to avoid that thing, probably I will recommend, if chroma is not evenly lit or you are having creases, so probably you can use this technique, you can use this tool, right? Okay, so my chroma or screen clean is done. Now I'll start my chroma removing. So probably you can use key light or you can use IBK color and IBK gizmo. So I'm going to use IBK again. So I'll use IBK color. Okay, so I'll start creating clean plate again. So I'll go over here and I'll select green. Might be I'll put 0 over here. And again, this is the same repetitive process. So I'll come back once this is done. Okay, so I'm done with my clean plate thing, and same way I'm going to take IBK gizmo, and definitely this will be my clean plate, and I'm going to use my foreground over here. And let's arrange this thing, and this will be green, and definitely you can see I'm having a better chroma output, but as you can see over here, I'm having some sort of holes in my alpha. So to fix it, what I can do, I can go over here and might be I can take a primate node like this, and this will be my foreground, and just I am going to create my core matte. So just check alpha, and if needed I can clean this thing, and probably I'll go over here and I'll hold Control Shift, and might be I can start cleaning my transparent areas like this, right? And if needed I can go to clean FG noise, and might be I can start cleaning things like this. If needed I can check if any holes are pending, so probably I'll do this. I think it's going good for me, and also I'm going to take a channel merge, right? And I'll do this by using channel merge. I am merging two alphas, and this will be my before and this will be my after. But what will happen whenever you are adding any kind of primate or hard edge thing, so what will happen, definitely I'm going to take a constant node just to check, and this will be 0.5 or might be 0.25, and let's take a merge node. And if we'll check over here, I'm having a very harsh edge, right? So to fix it, what I can do, after primate I can take a erode node, and I will dilate my alpha a little, and after that I'm going to take a edge blur node, and I will diffuse it a little, kind of this. And now if I can see, now I'm having soft edges. If any problem persists, I will go and I'll fix it later, but for now it's a good start, I would say. And again, might be I need to fix few more things, like I'm having very crooked edges like this. So yeah, I'll fix it later. And after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a copy node, and in that particular copy node, this will be my main footage, and I'll copy alpha over here, right? Let's disconnect it. My alpha will be here, right? Like this. And if I'm going to see, I'm having my alpha like this. And after this, I'm going to take a pre-mult node, and if you can see, I'm having my this thing. And again, I'm having green spill, so it's pretty easy to fix it. So let me add one background so that it will be easier for us to understand. So this will be my background, and if you can see, I'm having green. So I'll use key light. Might be you can use different tools to do your despilling work. And yes, I'll do 1. So yeah, by doing this much only, I'm having chroma removed, but not what I want, right? So how to improve your chroma quality as well, right? So if needed, I can add some sort of information, like I can, let me check. So this is what we have, and I think it's having good result. Some crooked edges are coming, so might be to fix it, what I can do, I can go over here and I'll take a edge blur node, and I can add a little softness to edges, kind of, so that it will fix. Yeah, it's got fixed, but I'm not going to use this much. I'll add a little, very little amount, very less amount, kind of this, not more than that. Because if background will change, then definitely we have to change things. So also I'm going to, although I'm not having any kind of luminance loss, but for a safer side, I'm going to retain my luminance as well. So I'll take a merge, I'll connect this, and I will, might be a difference, and I will take a saturation node, and in saturation probably I will desat it, and I'll take a merge, and this will be my plus mode, right? So again, I can see I'm having a good result, but on a brighter background, you cannot identify what kind of edges you are getting. Also, I need to remove this thing. So probably before or after pre-melt, I'm going to take a roto node, and I will create a shape around it. And in this particular shape, I'm going to take a merge, and I will mask it. So by doing this, I'm having only my character. Now it's time to change my background. So for background, I'm having this image, and I will go over here, and first thing first, I'll reformat it. And after reformatting, I'm going to connect this directly, right? So now let's see what I'm getting. Again, I'm not having proper scaling. I'm not having any kind of color matching, but just to see, it's looking like okay stuff. So I'll take a transform node, and might be I can scale it as per my requirement. I think it's, for now, it's working for me. And also I'll take a defocus node, because it's a mid close-up, so my background will be defocused a lot. Might be this much. Later on we'll change it if needed. So might be I'll go for 16, right? So again, I can see I'm having white edge, which is not good. For now, I'm getting okay result over here. Also, my softness has been intact, right? So my main challenge is to fix my white edges over here, So to fix it, we need to figure out from where my white edges are coming, and I hope it's coming whenever I'm doing my despilling. So to fix it, I'll take a key light one more time, and I'll connect this, and I will go over here, and I will put 1. I'll take a key mix, I'll connect this. This will be my A, and I'll take a mask. Definitely, I'm going to select this. If needed, I can change shape of my mask. Need not to worry. And I'll connect mask over there, like this. And now I'll check my final output. Again, still it's coming. It's little less, but still it's coming. So how to fix it? Just go over here in key light and just see what's happening. So I'm going to change my blue color. Might be this. You can see it's getting fixed. Also, I am going to change my red. So might be, you can see it's coming pretty nicely, right? Might be, let me do some stuff, do some tweakings. Let's tweak this. And as I'm going to tweak this, let me enable and disable. This was earlier and this is now. So can you see this? By doing this technique, I can fix any kind of edges, white edges. Probably I can add some roto shape over here as well. You need not to worry about eroding and all. So this will be the easy fix. So yeah, it's working pretty fine. Might be I can take a edge blur node just to blur my edges. And again, this is not final. Of course, in Final Comp, definitely we are going to fix this. So yeah, this is basic of keying with few advanced techniques like screen clean and fixing some edges, right? Also, what I can do, I can go over here and might be I can take a grade node. And over here, like I want to give it a very filmy look. So I'll go to gamma and might be a little greenish or might be greenish bluish. Greenish will be good. Might be a little darker value. So again, vice versa, I can change my look and feel in very less amount. Might be I can go to my this thing and I'll swing a little, kind of this. And as per my background, obvious I need to change my foreground as well. So over here, and again this is not final, again keep it in mind, so I have to keep working on it. Just I'm giving you an idea how to match color and tone. So I'll take a hue correct node and probably I will go to blue suppress, and might be I can choose this, and I'll add a key over here and I'll reduce blue. And suddenly if you can see, if I'm reducing blue, I'm getting greenish kind of stuff. So yeah, later on definitely we need to change it like this. And might be I can go over here, I can take another grade node and I will use only blue, might be add some short of blue, might be, or might be I can reduce a little blue as well. Can you see that? Or might be I can add a cyan kind of tint. And also I'm going to take another grade node that will affect my red kind of stuff. Might be I will go and I will add little red, and also I'm going to, and in highlight I can do this. So can you see that by using these two things I'm having a good contrasty look, right? So this is what I have. So later on in later videos definitely I'm going to improve this thing, but for now, for today's video, I think this is fair enough, and I hope you have learned something new in today's video. And if you did, please don't forget to comment down below. So I hope that's it for today's video, and I think you have learned something new. And if you think that you are learning something new from today's video, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. With this said, this is VFX Vibe signing off. Have a good day.